Hey guys, y'all want to make some tea with me? Girl, I know sometimes you ain't got time for all the shenanigans and you want to fertilize your plants and you want to do it and go, okay? So here we're going to do a quick fertilizer tea using tea bags and oats. And how long is this going to take? An hour, 1 hour, 1 hour to make this fertilizer tea. Let's get it. We can use our mason jars for this because we're using food grade products and we want to be able to reuse our mason jars, right? We ain't gonna put no stinky stuff in there. So we're gonna use a tea bag, 1 tea bag, just regular black tea. Cut it open and put it right in that mason jar. Then we're gonna use our oats, 1 tablespoon. That's all you need. Right in there. Okay guys, so we got our water boiling. And now, with just 3 ingredients, oats, tea, and hot water, boiling water. We're gonna pour that right into the mason jar. Boop. There she is. Okay guys, we're gonna give this a quick stir. We're gonna put the lid on it. But not too tight, okay? There you go. 3 ingredients, oats, tea, and hot water, and it is hot, so put it off to the side so nobody can get it. Let it brew, baby, for 1 hour, and you got your tea, okay? Now, that's the quick version. Tea fertilizer. That's the, I ain't got time version. But if you want the El Cheapo version, and time is on your side, I'm gonna show you how to make another tea. Completely free. If you got the time, let's do it. Come on in, drip, baby, drip. Come on, drip, baby, drip. Y'all know I heard that rain out there. That's why I had to make this tea. Yeah, the rain ain't raining like it was a couple of weeks ago, but hey, that's enough. We're gonna work with it. Now, I told y'all this was the El Cheapo version. You know El Cheapo involves some work. When you talking about free, you're going to put a little bit of labor, but not too much, okay? We outside. We're going to go in our backyard and find us some weeds. We making weed tea, good old-fashioned weed tea. Yes, and it's going to fertilize our plants, and it's going to be concentrated, y'all. This going to be so concentrated, you're going to have to dilute it. You're going to have to dilute it like 10 times, okay? But yeah, all these weeds is back here sucking all the nitrogen up out of my backyard. But I'm about to get them. I'm about to get my nitrogen back. You hear me? Okay. Let me see how many weeds I can find. The ones I can find is going in this canister. Coffee canister. Gonna be tea canister from now on, okay? Look how big these roots are, y'all. You think you can do this to me? You think you can do this to me? Just out here living your best life. And you don't pay no rent around here. You got to do something with yourself. And I'm about to throw you in this bucket so you can do something for me. Nitrogen. I'm getting all my nitrogen back. Look at all these weeds, y'all. I done hit the jackpot. Baby. What y'all doing? Come on, get you a bucket and come on out here and help me pull these weeds up, girl. You see all these weeds out here. Wait a minute. Oh, mother load, a whole patch of them. Oh, I got enough for the day, but I'm coming back for you. You can count your days. Okay, y'all, I got some more rainwater. You know I got a stash on the deck. But we're going to pour. I think this is probably enough. Nah, I'm gonna put a little bit more in there, cover up these weeds. Time is on my side. Not yours today. Go ahead and snap that on there. Now we're gonna set that aside about 2-3 weeks. Stir occasionally. Okay guys, so it's been well over an hour and we're going to strain the tea. This is black tea and oats and boiling water. And we let it steep for an hour. So let's go ahead and drain it and see what we got. Smell, nothing like compost, just smells like tea and oats. That's all it smells like. Simple as that, guys. This is good fertilizer. Now, none of these teas, I should say, neither of these teas are as good as compost, but they do add nutritional value to your plants and your soil. So this is a quick fix. And with this tea, you can use it right away. Remember, this is the quick fix. The El Cheapo tea takes about 2 to 3 weeks for it to ferment. And remember, that is very concentrated, so you want to make sure that you dilute that one. The tea that we made from the weeds need to be diluted. I would add what was in that container I had. Usually it's 1 part of the fertilizer to 10 parts of water, but I'm just going to strain it and dump that into a 5-gallon bucket and go from there. Okay? Okay, guys, I've got to tell you, this tea, good for plant growth. This boosts growth in plants. So I'm going to go throw some on my plants, and I hope you guys are having a great day. You got a quick version, you got a free version. No excuses. Go fertilize your plants. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.